Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye. Me family strong, me vibe real firm, yeah man. Early morning, me rise before the sun. Birds them chant, Jah work begun. Me sit and rock, me herb a burn. From this meditation, me never turn. Me rap, me rope, me humble deep. Me spirit rise, me mind asleep. In a silence, me find the word. No preacher need, me soul is hurt. Me breathe it slow, me let it go. The smoke rise high, me heart move low. Each time me take, me go more clear. Me hear Jah voice whisper near. Say, meditate and elevate. Free me mind, me shift me state. Ganja leaf for open gate. To higher plane, Jah light so great. Meditate and elevate. No rush, no hate, me clean me plate. Me humble path, me destiny. Inna the hills of prophecy.
Me no need gold chain or flashy ride. Me walk barefoot, truth inside. Me chop wood, me boil me tea. Ital living, set me free. Me plant me greens, me bless the land. The herb grow tall, in a Jah hand. Me no trust, no poison plates. Me energy pure, me spirit straight. Me empress walk, beside me stride. She bring the calm, me bring the guide. We chant psalms under moonlight clear. No fear in our hemisphere.
Meditate and elevate. One draw for the stress me face. One chant for the world in a haste. Rasta pace, Jah time no waste. Meditate and elevate. Me nah compete, me nah debate. The herb reveal the deeper truth. From ancient time to Rasta youth. Some smoke for hype, me smoke for grace. Each go for prayer in sacred space. Me no escape, me elevate. Me feel the love, me clean the hate. Ganja a plant, not crime, not vice. Is the holy bush we meditate twice. Soothe me brain, mend me soul. Guide me vision to higher goal. Me like the chalice with respect. Me no blaze, just fi neglect. Every leaf a blessing, me overstand. Like stars above. Split with coconut water, yeah man. Me rise with the sun, face the east. Start the day with herbal feast. Coconut water, mango sweet. Ground fruit keep me on me feet. Me grind me herb, give Jah praise. Live Ital ways for Lenten days. No process lies, no Babylon trap. Me boil me soup in clay pot lap. And me easy, roots food, roots mood. Ital bless me attitude. Me eat from ground, me feel so high. The soul clean, me spirit fly. Me no need pill, me sip, me brew. Ginger, turmeric and leaf them too. Papaya cleanse, time for breath. Ital keep me far from death. Me empress cook with sacred hand. Each bite a blessing from Jalan. The food she serve comes straight from heart. A healing heart, a holy heart. Me fire blaze, no microwave. Me stew bubble pan vibe so brave. Me garden flourish, me hand dig deep. Ital way, no come cheap. Me plate a bra, me bowl a him. Ital living strong within. No toxins here, no lying dish. Me spirit fed, me soul feel rich. And spread your word. Me voice uplift just like a bird. Me no preach loud, me action show. I tell where the youth them grow. And me easy, roots food, roots food. From yard to world, I tell food. Me chant, me cook, me live it true. Ital Steppa true and true. So if you're lost, try plant a tree. Let nature guide you peacefully. The root no truth, the food no grace. Ital life a sacred space.
Aye, Rasta man grind the ganja, yeah man. Me open me eyes to the sound of birds. Sunrise chanting Jah holy words. Me spirit calm, me mind feel light. Rasta walk clean in a morning bright. No rush in the heart, no hate in a speech. Me trod in peace, me teach what me preach. Me burn no one, me lift them high. Rasta love deep like endless sky. Whoa, one love, one light. Rasta man, grind the ganja, yeah man. Whoa, one love, one light. Rasta man, grind the ganja, yeah man. One love, one light, one heart beating strong. One rhythm, one Jah singing the same song. No borders, no fight, just overstanding truth. Rasta vibes eternal, forever in youth. Me walk barefoot on the sacred land. Me feel the pulse of Jah mighty hand. Smoke rise up like a prayer to sky. Meditation deep, me soul fly high. No gold chain, me crown is dread. Roots and culture fi nourish me head. Me no need vanity or Babylon game. Me wear righteousness like holy flame. The light in your soul, it never fade. It shine through shadow, it break the shade. In every ghetto, in a mountain peak, Jah love speak to the strong and meek. Me call to me people, stand up firm. Love each other, we have to learn. Plant the seed, water it true. It grow in love, it grow in you. One love, one light, me sing it loud. Rasta message reach every crowd. From Kingston Lane to Berlin Street. The rhythm carry hope on every beat. Ital food, ital breath. Keep me far from spiritual death. Me praise me Jah with every bite. Me soul nourished by natural light. Me empress smile, me youth them play. Me chant psalms, fi guide me way. Me burn herb, not just fi eye, but fi see Jah clear, fi touch the sky. One love, one light, me chant till dawn. Rasta rise strong from dusk till morn. Me no need war, me bring the balm. Me heart beat cool, me spirit calm. So listen the drum, the naya bingy roll. Let it echo deep in your soul. Jah calling I, and I to unite. One destiny, one love, one light.
Na ganja is the medicine, yeah man. Me sit on me roof, spliff in a hand. Night breeze blow from the promised land. Me burn the herb and me close me eye. Me send up smoke to Jah in the sky. Me no type fi write long letter. Me burn leaf, me reason better. Each puff a word, each breath a flame. The message deep, it call your name. Me no need no Wi-Fi link. The smoke connect more than you think. Me float away in higher sight. Me reach Zion through the night. Smoke rise high like prophet. Jah home. No gold, no crown, no politician, just ital food and deep vision. Me no rush, me breathe and float. Me chant on rhythm like lion boat. Me sailing mind from earth to sun. Each note a prayer, me job not done. Me levitate on the echo drum. Me feel the pulse of what's to come. Galaxy spin in a me brain. Me link with stardust, burn the pain. Smoke twist like spiral key. Unlock gate, fi set I free. No wall, no chain, no Babylon eye. Just pure vision till me die. Yeah, smoke attacking mystery. Floating notes and harmony. Me spirit bright across the sky. With green and gold and red so high. Oh, this are the Rasta code. A message on the smoke road. Dubplate spinning sacred ground. Me hear the earth, me feel the sound. Me soul vibrate at different tone. Me live the vibes, not flesh and bone. Me reason with me ancient self. Me find more truth than book and shelf. Na 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 Kingston, Ash Isle man. Early morning light pon me face. Birds them sing, me rising grace. Me roll a spliff with holy hand. Give thanks for the life, Jah understand. Me backpack full with rhythms and vibes. Me spirit tuned to the ancestral tribes. Ital lunch, me queen pack sweet. Coconut water and tamarind treat. Me step on the road, barefoot free. No rush, just vibes, just let it be. Me sight the hills like lion's mane. Sun kissed the earth after last night's rain. We on a Zion road trip, no map, no fare. Blazing the herbs, chanting Janeer. From mountain peak to riverside, we ride the rhythm, we ride the tide. Zion road trip, turn up the tune. Dance in the dust till rise of moon. Me heart beat loud, me soul feel light. On Jah highway through day and night. Me pull up on a yard in a sentence bay. Old Rasta say youth you trod in the way. He brew me roots, tell story long of days of fire and nights of song. Me sit and reason under a key tree about Marcus Marley, Haile Selassie. Them days them rough, but truth did shine. With love in heart and ganja in mind. Next up the beach where the breeze blow clean. Me float like leaf in the Caribbean dream. Me queen by me side, laughter loud. Me give thanks for life, me chant it proud. Smoke rise like prayer, like breath of earth. Me overstand, me soul's true worth. Meditation deep in a coconut grove. Me find me center, me spirit move. It's not about riches or Babylon gold. It's love and freedom, story told. Each mile me drive, me grow inside. Each song me sing, me drop me pride. Zion road trip, we rolling still. With Naya Bingy beats and higher will. Me nah look back, me nah regret. Each moment sweet like a bass duet. We ride, we blaze, we reason high. We reach for stars in a deep blue sky. On Zion road, me find me peace. With each new track, me soul release. Me meet a sister in a Negril breeze. She teach me healing with forest leaves. She said, smoke the herb, but know it's more. It open gates, it open door. Me link with dread in a Mobile Hills. He carve with drums and chant for thrills. He said, music a medicine, sound a key. It unlock chains Babylon can see.
Me reason deep in a port on you. Me write a verse in a root scenario. Each stop, each soul, each firelight. Add to the vision me chant tonight. As me ride back home on country lane. Me carry joy, me carry no pain. Me leave behind stress and lies. Me live for truth, me spirit rise. Zion road trip, it never done. Each day me wake, it just begun. Me record me journey in rhythm and rhyme. Me live Jah love through every time.
Rasta man and the hood, yeah man. Them tell we say diamonds are shine, but me say give me the herb and sunshine. Gold and silver can't feed soul. Them build prison, me walk jagol. Me na inna no Gucci cloth. Me wear me roots, me bun them fraud. Me step on earth barefoot and strong. Me sing for Zion, me chant me song. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Me plant me seeds and wait for feast. Me nah run race for who a drive Benz. Me ride rhythm, me build from friends. Give me roots over riches, love over fame. Me trod with lion heart, me bun them shame. Inna the hills, me smoke and pray. No mansion coulda buy me way. Me rich in spirit, me wealthy still. Cause Jah provide and guide me will. Me no need 10 chain round neck. Me need coconut and hammock check. Me no beg likes on social screen. Me live me life like reggae queen. Me sweep me yard, me grow me food. Me sing in key, me change the mood. Me dep on mission, no competition. Me bring the healing, the real nutrition. From Portland coast to Kingston yard. Me carry roots music like old postcard. Them try fi sell culture like it's a brand, but me live it real, hand to hand. Me wealth no lie in Walter Bank. Me store it in rhythm, in ganja plank. Me measure success by calm and joy. Me chant with elders, me build no destroy. Me write with ink of discipline. Me pen me life from deep within. Me no shame fi cry, me no afraid fi feel. Cause real Rasta man a move real. Give me roots over riches, truth over hype. Me sit in silence, me bun the mic. Me rich in faith, me fill with love. Me step on Babylon, rise above. Me wealth not fade like fashion way. Me trod with drum and smoke all day. One little spliff on me rising light. Me nah wait for no Friday night. Every day me reason with Jah. Me nah wait for stage or camera. Me cook Ital with fire stick. Me sing ya bingy when rhythm kick. Me teach me youth bout balance and breath. Me tell them money can't buy debt. Them system flashy but empty still. Me choose the mountain, me choose Jah will. Me heart is full, me belly fed. Me sleep in peace, no fear, no dread. So when you see me humble and calm, know me protect me soul like Psalm. Me chant for ones who not yet free. Me send this vibe across the sea. Me nah wear crown, me wear me smile. Me trod this earth, Rasta style. And though them chase diamonds and checks, me rich with herbs pon me neck. Blaze it up now. This ya wanna fit the real ganja crew. Roll it, light it,
pass it through. Reggae fire upon the avenue. Lights them low but vibes them high. Cloud in a room like smoking sky. DJ drop that heavy tune. Crowd explode like afternoon. Me step in at the dance, herb in a palm. Me skank so sweet, me soul feel calm. Bassline heavy like mountain drum. Each beat a heartbeat, boom, boom, boom. Me empress wine, she moves so free. Sweat and smoke in harmony. She pass the spliff, me take one draw. Me levitate, me reach Jala. Jah Kankin, roll and wine. Me burn that herb, me feel so fine. Bassline rumble, me head a sway. Me dance all night till break of day. Jah Kankin, reggae wave. No chain, no bling, me not slave. Me free me mind, me let it roam. The rhythm guide, me spirit home. Selector play that dub wise cut. Me broke out clean, me no need nut. Just the rhythm and chalice pipe. And the whole place catch the hype. The Ital youth, them inna the zone. Them eyes red like ancient stone. Me see them dance, me see them pray. To Jah Jah through the reggae way. Coconut water cool me throat. Me still high, me still afloat. Every move a next vibration. Me soul alive, me heart salvation. Me light up the wisdom leaf. Herb is the healer fi all me grief. No pill, no drink, me don't chase hype. Me just want vibes and ganja pipe. Rasta live and Rasta chant. Me plant me food, me no depend pon grant. In a dance hall, me find me space to burn the lies and praise the grace. Me empress whisper in a me ear. This your love we share, sincere. Me hold her tight, the rhythm sweet. Me feel Jah work in every beat. Ganja skanking, blaze it loud. Me lost in rhythm, me proud and proud. Me no watch no clock, me no feel no chain. Me a dance through joy, me a dance through pain. Jah ganking, roots control. Me mash up floor with heart and soul. Me ride the rhythm, me nah pretend. Me reggae soldier till the end. Now the sun a rise pan skyline. Still me feel the beat in a spine. Dance all floor full of smiling face. Smoke still curl like serpent grace. Me give thanks for the night we share. For the love, the light, the open air. Me take last draw, me close me eyes. Me hear the rhythm, me na sunrise. Me empress sweet harmony. The birds join in a symphony. This your moment, Jah create. Me and the music resonate. Jah Kankin, full of light. Me a blaze up love in a reggae night. No violence, no fuss, no fight. Just skank and burn the chalice right. And Jah Kankin, drum and bass. Me find me peace in this your place. One love rise, one soul ignite. The fire burn till morning light. No, no, no. No cushion at the bang, ya man. Come on. Me rise up early, hills them blue. Birds them a sing like them know truth too. Steam from me kettle curl like cloud. Jah whisper in breeze, not too loud. Me sit pon the rock, me eyes them close. The wind attack in poetic prose. A spliff in a hand, me soul it roam. Me temple na concrete is mountain me home. Can you hear the mountain call? A voice so ancient it shake the wall. Breathe the smoke and feel the drum. Nature speak and wisdom come. It's not just weed, it's sacrament. A portal open, me soul ascent. Me nah run fast, me trod with grace. The mountain teach me just own face. Underneath the cedar tree, me learn say freedom no come free. It's not just ganja in a me palm. It's balance, love and sacred calm. Me sight a lizard, watch me move. Even the creatures them feel the groove. Me wrap the leaf like ancient scroll and blaze a message from me soul. Me hear them say Babylon bright, but me prefer the moonlight night. Me nah need gold, me nah want praise. Me just need truth in a natural way. Rasta nah come fi entertain. Me come fi cleanse the heart from pain. Me chant and burn the holy flame. Me nah play hype, me nah seek fame. Call of the mountain echo strong. Through the smoke and sacred song, me feel the wind, it carry me thought. To Zion gate, me vision caught. Blaze the pipe, my mind expand. Me see Jah work in sea and land. Steam rise high like Rastaman prayer. It float to Jah, yes, everywhere. Me sit in silence, eyes them low. Time slow down, me spirit glow. Me sister and grind, me bread a light. Together we chant through the night. Me hear the Naya Bingi sound. In every rock, in every ground. The rhythm natural, the bass is deep. Me meditate until me sleep. A journey starts with barefoot step. Not in a city where hearts forget, but on the trail through roots and vine, where man and earth align divine. Me leave the stress of modern day and find me peace the Rasta way. A sip of tea, a touch of breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart find ease. Can you hear the mountain cry? It sing of love beneath the sky. It call me back to source and root, to plant me soul like sacred fruit. Steam and rhythm, dub and flame. Me rise in love, not just name. Call of the mountain never lie. It's Jah who chant through breeze and sky. Na na na, Jah bless the Rasta nation, yeah man. Me wake up early, sun kiss me face. Birds are chanting at the morning grace. Me stretch me arms like tree in bloom. The earth a healing tune. Me boil me roots, me sip me tea. Me pray to Jah, fi guide me free. Me walk barefoot through morning dew. Me feel the pulse of life brand new. Me nah need diamond, me nah need fame. Me riches grow in Jah name. Each bite of fruit, each leaf me steam. Ital life like sacred dream. Me heartbeat, Ital no chemical war. Pure from the soil like Jazz avatar. Me soul dance clean, me body stay bright. Ital in me blood, Ital in a delight. Oh, Ital heartbeat. In every step me feet. Me kitchen smell like ancient ground. Turmeric, thyme, and herbs profound. Me stir me pot with Rasta and each spice a prayer fi overstand. Me bless me food before before me bite. Ital feed me inner light. No meat, no poison, just what grow. Me follow Jah, me spirit know. Inna me yard, me plant me greens. Spinach, callaloo, healing beans. Me love the dirt pon me fingertip. Each harvest come with jammanship.
Me climb the hill when world get loud. Me find peace in the highest cloud. Spliff in a hand, me thoughts them slow. Ital vibration start to flow.
No judgment here, just clean intention. Me burn me sage for soul redemption. Meditation like river stream. Ital man, live him dream. Ital beat like Nyabingi drum. Pure and deep, it never done. Rhythm in a belly, melody in mind. Ital soup of Rasta kind. Me sing Ital Heartbeat. In every herb me eat. Me gather me youth round fire glow. Me teach them all the Ital grow. Respect the land, respect yourself. True wealth come from natural health. We dance to drum, we chant in circle. Me tell them story in a miracle. Oh Rasta live, oh we stay true. No plastic vibe, just morning dew. Me queen a smile, she prep the dish. Ital stew, pan coconut wish. The moon rise up and bless the sky. And Jah whisper through firefly. So live Ital, love Ital, breathe Ital too.
Aye, 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 aye. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me rise before the sun come up. Me sit by me window, drink from Jah cup. Me inhale the herb, exhale me stress. The silence talk, me mind find rest. Me chant psalms in a belly of dawn. Even when road rough, me heart stay strong. Me nah follow Babylon, run them race. Me walk the road, me find me pace. Me nah complain, me overstand. Blessings come with the work of hand. Me nah get tired, me nah get weak. Jah had the strength that me so sad. Rasta never tired, nah. Even through fire, me rise higher. Meditation and the Kaya light guide me footsteps through Jannah. Rasta never tired, oh no. Me soul keep moving, steady flow. Me drum beat deep like mountain call. Even when me stumble, me nah fall. People rushing, system pushing, but me spirit stay cool, never crushing. Them run them car, them chase them goal. Me light me spliff, me story unfold. Me sit beside warmth in a downtown heat. Me reason with elder, me stay discreet. Me learn from silence, me hear Jah voice. Me walk Ital path, me conscious choice. Me queen she strong, she cook Ital stew. Teach the youth how love come true. Even when rain come hard and wild, me shelter the flame, me hold your child. Wah. Me nah need Red Bull, me nah need pills. Me climb me mountain with natural skills. Me burn me sage, me beat me drum. Even when them say me time no come. Me pray for Babylon but me no bow. Me plant me seeds in sacred ground now. The moonlight guide me in a map. Me nah lose faith, me nah fall trap. Rasta never tired, no lie. Me reach the stars without try. Herbs in a pipe, thoughts in a flight. Me live Jah truth, day and night. Me beat Nyabingi till morning break. Me give more love than me ever take. Me nah stop chant till system fall. Me answer the call, me give it all. Zion
Zion no far, it inna your soul. It nah need passport, it nah need toll. It a the place where love reign free. It live in roots, it flow like sea. Me carry Zion inna me song. Each verse a wing, each note stay strong. Me build a temple with bamboo frame. Me cook Ital food, me call your name. Me smoke me chalice under the moon. Me heart in tune like reggae tune. Me not sleep on Babylon bed. Me dream awake, me stay ahead. So when the world feel heavy and rough, me remind myself, me soul is tough. Me trod through fire, me smile through rain. Me dance through sorrow, me heal me pain. Rasta never tired, never fade. Me tune still strong like razor blade. The beat still deep, me breath still long. Me voice still chant redemption song.
Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me wake up early, sun just rise. Me give thanks for life, me open me eyes. Steam from the chalice, me take one draw. Me feel just spirit, me standing me no walk like sheep, me walk like king. Me know me roots, me crown me bring. Babylon push fear, me push peace. Me burn them lies, me chant release. Me nah beg friend, me trust Yahweh. Me blaze me path, me light me day. The lion no worry about them trap. Me heart beat dub, me soul stay strapped. Lion trod with head held high. Through smoke and storm, me still fly. Me no back down, me never stray. Me walk the roots, me walk Yahweh. Me chanting rain, me dancing flame. Me nah look likes, me nah want fame. Me only want truth, me only want life. One drop of peace, no need for strife. Ganja is key, ganja a guide. Open me soul and clear me pride. It's not just smoke, it's meditation. A tool for break manipulation. Me sit pan rock, me sight the tree. Me reason with leaves, them talk to me. Me grind it slow, me chant me line. Me give thanks, me feel divine. Me na lost in cloud, me find me mind. Me let go it, me stay aligned. From Ethiopia to jam down shore, Rasta chant, still strong, still pure. Me fire burn from deep inside. Me no play small, me no run hide. Me carry touch from ancient time. Me lyrics real, me flow like rhyme. Me they have to teach, not just perform. Me sing through silence, me ride this storm. Me voice a sword, me words a seed. Me plant the truth and upgrow. Lion walk through concrete streets, but me steps still sacred. Me heart still beat. Me light me chalice, me lift me soul. Me trod through life, fi reach Jagul. Me nah stray, me nah bow. Me stand tall, right here and now. Lion's way is path of flame. Me move with love, me chant your name. Me carry me locks like tree bear fruit. Me deep like sea, me firm in root. Me reason daily, me stay alert. Me protect me temple, me nah get hurt. Me know them system no want we rise, but Jah hide upon we. Look to skies, me walk with earth under me feet. Me link with sun, me soul complete. Me travel world, but me never lost. Me carry Zion, whatever the cost. Me no need plane, fi reach me place. Me find it through prayer,
through smoke, through grace. So when you see me blaze and smile, know me fight war in a humble style. Me na raise gun, me raise vibration. Me bring one love for every nation. Nah, nah, nah. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Early dawn, the fire lit. Me roll a healing, me soul commit. One drop play, me spirit sway. Silence talk in 1,000 way. Steam from cup, me mind feel clean. Me sight beyond what eyes have seen. Me no check phone, me check me breath. Me reason with life and dance with death. Smoke and silence blend like gold. Inna the breeze, me story told. One draw lift, me far from stress. Me land in peace, me clothing blessed. It's not for hype, not for show. It's meditation, let it flow. No rush, no war, no fight. Just love and herbs and morning light. Me life no flashy, but me free. Me eat Ital, live simply. No meat, no lie, no toxic sound. Me ground with earth, me soul stay sound. Me not a twist like roots them deep. Me dream with eyes, me walk in sleep. Me study stars, me chant alone. Me dwell in silence, build me home. Me now wait for man to validate. Me walk through fire with righteous faith. Me know the plant bring ancient key to open doors them hide from we. Me look in mirror, see me king. Me voice not scream, but still it sing. Me nah rebel, me just aware. Me speak with love, but still me there. Smoke and silence guide me way through darkest night and brightest day. A little spliff, a gentle me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. It's not escape, it's revelation. It's love through smoke, a meditation. Me sit and breathe, me float so high. Me talk with Jah inside me sky. Me no burn weed, just for joke. Is how me reason when word choke. Me see how Babylon confused, but me choose nature, me choose roots. Me no need no badge or flag, just ganja leaf in a humble bag. Me no need likes or fame on screen. Me need me peace, me keep it clean. Me born again each time me draw. Me write me psalms without the law. Me build me temple out a vibe. Me link with spirit, me soul revive. Rasta no preach, me live instead. Me keep it light, no heavy dread. Me show me youth another way. Fi live with truth each blessed day. Smoke and silence carry me across the hills, across the sea. Me sing for Jah, me praise with tone. But me strongest word is when me alone. Light up fire, inhale deep. Let go pain, you try to keep. One love, one draw, one light. Zion echo.
Na 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 ganja, jungle at the Jamaica. Yeah man. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whisper from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dance in a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright. Burning lights, revealing light. Mystic fire, blaze
blaze up in a me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari. Thunder clap and the eagle fly. Me hold the chalice, reason with star. No say Jah never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain me nah run, me ride. Me wear me crown of roots and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation, me daily food. Me walk with lion heart through the wood. Mystic fire, blaze up in a me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. Chanting under full moonlight tight. Smoke rise, me vision bright. Rhythm deep like ocean floor. Me nah beg, me rise, me soar. Them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul na sell, me part divine. Me reason with trees and ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame. Cause me heart already tame. Me voice echo in a valley deep. Awaken ones them long asleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind. Set the chain soul free from bind. Me nah carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a sacred place. Me lift me hands and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire, blaze up in a me. Show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's Ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum. And to the fire, me always come.
Ay, ay, ay. Rasta man is so high, man.
Me wake up in a city made a code. Neon light but me spirit cold. Every move tracked by silent eye, but just still rule the open sky. Them build them tower of silicon sin, but we soul nah plug in. We nah log in, we log on to ancestor chants from dusk till dawn. System talk like it care for the youth, but me only trust the drum and truth. Them feed illusion through fiber line, but we reason deep like mystic pine. Me said don't be tricked by shiny glare. There's wisdom in dreadlock and barefoot prayer. Me rather live poor with heart intact than rich in chains that soul contract. Digital chains can hold with flame. We fire born under every name. From Trench Town Lane to African Plain. We chant for justice, we chant for pain. Digital chains can hold with vibe. Zion rise up in every tribe. From ghetto black to jungle deep. The ancient rhythm still not sleep. We not born fi be data point. We not follow algorithm joint. We flow like river, rebel in style. Roots man talking prophetic file. Me vision clear like crystal cup. Me not bow when Babylon erupt. Them police mind with flashing screen, but me meditate where tree them green. Me say youth rise up and build new code, one with love as the highest mode. Don't let clickbait steal your soul. Let roots and rhythm be your goal. Them sell likes for identity, but we chant ancient remedy. Me look in your eyes and know your star. Me nah need app fi tell me who you are. Me say pull down firewall of fear. Hear the drum beat loud and clear. Download strength from time before, when kings and queens walk natural floor. Me nah ashamed of rebel tune. Me chant by sun, me howl at moon. In digital maze, me still find path. Carved by mystics, sealed by Rastafari craft. Them paint we history with glitch and blur. Rewrite the truth like slurred murmur. But we memory coded in leaf and stone. We language deeper than flesh and bone. Me say light the herbs, open your gate. Free from scroll, them call fate. The voice of the elders still echo here. Me nah fear when Babylon near. Zion a fantasy, it's soul alignment. A way fi live, not just confinement. Me walk with lion, me talk to tree. Me build a world where minds run free. Digital chains can't hold we flame. We fire blazing Jah holy name. We nah bow to Pixel King. We chant until liberation sing. Digital chains can't hold we love. We rise like dove from heights above. We not blind by plastic dream. We live in truth, we live in steam.
Them dress in suit, them talk real sweet, but the same chain still, they pan with feet. Them say freedom, but me smell disguise. A smile pon the face, but fire in them eyes. Me ancestors cry from sugar field. Now we sign contract fi make them yield. New plantation in the office space. My boss no whip, but me can't escape. Iron chains now come in code. Silicon cuffs we upload the load. Them build the system, call it new age, but same old script, just a shiny page. Me see my brethren beg for wage, just fi survive, trapped in cage. Credit trap, student loan. Own the house, but now own the home. Me nah forget what Babylon do. From Congo to Kingston, same screw. So me chant with fire, chant with grace. Expose them lies in a smiling face. Iron chains, cotton smiles. System deep like river miles. Them take we mine, them rob we style, but we rise again. Jah make we wild. Iron chains, cotton smile. We trod the road, rough and vile, but every step we break them guile. Till Zion come in royal file. Them offer comfort, just fi control. Offer peace, but sell the soul. 5-day grind, weekend numb. Repeat again when Monday come. We celebrate small like it's great, but me say nah, we must elevate. Them give us phone, take away thought. Them sell escape, but we still caught. Me not just chant, me act and do. Me grow me food, me build me crew. Me teach the youth, fi read and see. Them history full of mystery. So me light a fire under them feet. Let truth blaze hotter than heat. Me not accept this prison suite. Me a lion, me nah retreat. I am chains, cotton smiles. System deep like river miles. Them take we mine, them rob we style, but we rise again. Jah make we wild. Iron chains, cotton smile.
We trod the road, rough and vile, but every step we break them guile, till Zion come in royal file. Miss a freedom, nah come from vote or from promises, them write and quote. It come from fire, come from fight, come from unity, come from right. Them preach respect. Me rise from the dust, me rise from the dark. Jah light shine bright, ignite the spark. Babylon crumble, the system fall, but we stand tall, me answer the call. Me hear the cries of the people lost, but we rise as one, we pay the cost. The chains are rattle, the lies are spread, but in Jah's name we not go dead. Me see the truth, me feel the light. We step forward, we fight the fight. In every soul, the fire burn. We rise again, we never turn. We rise as one, we rise in truth. We fight for justice, we fight for youth. In the name of Jah we stand divine. The rising of the divine, our hearts align. We rise as one, we rise in peace. Together we fight, together we cease. In the light of Jah we make the climb. The rising of the divine, we rise in time. Me feel the heat, me feel the fire. We rise in the name, we take the higher. The world a change, but we stand firm. We fight for truth, we fight for term. Me see the youth, me see the old. Together we rise, we break the cold. Me hear the rhythm, the sound I call. Warriors of Jah, we stand tall. Me see the power in the people's face. We march together, we take the place. No more division, no more lies. We rise together, we touch the skies. We rise as one, we rise in truth. We fight for justice, we fight for youth. In the name of Jah we stand divine. The rising of the divine, our hearts align. We rise as one, we rise in peace. Together we fight, together we cease. In the light of Jah we make the climb. The rising of the divine, we rise in time. Me feel the power, me feel the light. In Jah's name we stand and fight. Me see the angels, me hear this sound. Warriors of Jah, we stand on solid ground. Me hear the drums, me hear the chant. We rise as one, no more to pant. The time I come, the truth are near. Me feel the spirit, we have no fear. Me see the fire, me see the rain. Together we rise, we break the chain. In every heart, the love I burn. We rise again, we never turn. We rise as one, we rise in truth. We fight for justice, we fight for youth. In the name of Jah we stand divine. The rising of the divine, our hearts align. Zion roots, oh yeah, Zion roots. Is your story. We walk the road of the righteous ones. Me see the battle, me see the guns. Babylon try to hold we down, but we rise as warriors, we take the crown. Me hear the cries of the voiceless poor, but in our hearts, me feel the roar. Me see the earth, me see the sky. Me know just children never die. Them try to break we, them try to kill, but we stand firm, we not go still. Me feel the power deep in me veins. We rise as one, we break the chain. We are the warriors of the earth. We fight for freedom, we fight for words. No more lies, no more pain. Together we rise, we break the chain. We are the warriors of the earth. We fight for justice, we fight for birth. warriors rise from the underground. The world a shift, the earth a shake, but we stand tall, we never break. Me see the youth, me see the old. Together we rise, together we bold. Me feel the power, me feel the might. We walk in a truth, we walk in a light. We break the chains, we set the free. We rise together, we plant the tree. We are the warriors of the earth. We fight for freedom, we fight for words. No more lies, no more pain. Together we rise, we break the chain. We are the warriors of the earth. We fight for justice, we fight for birds. No more fear, no more shame. We rise together, we call the name. The system crumble, the walls are fall, but we rise as one, we answer the call. In Jah's name, we stand for truth, we stand for the youth, we stand for the proof. Me feel the thunder, me feel the rain. We rise again, we break the chain. From the streets to the hills, we claim the light. Warriors of the earth, we rise in sight. The earth a cry.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, Zion Nako, Zion. Yeah. We born in a cage, but we mind can fly. Them hide the keys, but we third eye spy. Them flood we feed with pretty lies. Filter the truth till freedom dies. The screen a priest preach Babylon talk, but the spirit walk where the lions walk. Them put chains on imagination, steal we soul with sweet temptation. But me nah in a race feel likes and fame. Me chant for the youth, them lost in shame. Every other distraction, every post a mask. While we drink from cup, them never ask. Me unplug, me reconnect to roots, to love, to full respect. So me close me eyes and me hear Jah call. Beyond the nice, beyond the wall. Me rise above, me float like breeze, while Babylon drown in plastic seas. Chains of illusion, me broke them now. Jah light lead through shadow, show them twist we mind with sweet seduction. But me chant truth, me build eruption. Chains of illusion, silent and tight, but fire within brings sacred sight. From darkness rise, from silence grow. A revolution them can't control. Me see me brethren scrolling deep, fi chase a dream while them sleep. But this dream them sell a trap in disguise. The system built fi hypnotize. We not know peace, only price tag joy. Them sell we ties, but treat we like boy. Me say nah, me soul nah fi rent. Me chant down lies with firmament. Them teach we consume, not fi create. Fi love we cage, fi trust we faith. But me plant me truth like seed in soil, and me not stop till the chain spoil. We mine a battlefield without a flame. Fi free this self is not a game. Them fear when we rise and overstand, so them flood we with illusion. And but Jah wisdom deeper than algorithm. We chant psalms, we move with rhythm. Them shadow weak when we light expand. We nah go beg, we take the land. Chains of illusion, me broke them now. Jah light lead through shadow, show them twist we mind with sweet seduction. But me chant truth, me build eruption. Chains of illusion, silent and tight, but fire within brings sacred sight. From darkness rise.